Okay, Victor here again for Jack in Canada. Alright, so Jack, here is the situation. So I got the valve removed, thank God. The connector was very tight. I have to still clean it because it is extremely oxidized, the common pin. So I put plugs in for now, so if anything I can start the car and run it, coolant will not leak. So these are just blocks. Next, the valve itself. I started to disassembling the valve, obviously not here. I was doing it on the bench, but I want to show you something. And the reason I'm doing it here on the floor is because I have my power supply here next to me. So my power probe. And first thing is I went with the pump because these are common not to work. So let's just activate the pump so you can actually see it work. You can see it spinning. So I'm activating the pump. We have about 70 ohms. But it will change though because it's 3 ohms. That's fine. So pump works great. So that is fine because bolts themselves, the studs, as you can see, they rusted right off completely. But I can still work with that. I can well, you cannot fix these. Either you buy replacements if there are any available, but this one's broken to this completely, so I have to drill this out. I can put bolt and nut and that's fine, but my biggest issue is this. One of the solenoids is shorted, so even if I go proceed with this repair, solenoid is still shorted, so we don't, there's nothing really I can do with that. It's probably took water in because there's lots of corrosion in this valve. Really? Come on now. Stay somehow. There. I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a little unfortunate. So see, this one shows 0 ohms. Oh, come on now. Yeah. So this one shows 0. This one shows 6.4. So this one is shorted. If I apply power to it, nothing is happening. This one, if I apply power, you hear it. So the left one works, the right one does not. So unfortunately, this valve is pretty much done. It's just not worth fixing it because a new one is gonna cost probably less than repairing this. The coils, I mean, I can work with this, but it's just not worth it. I mean, I can fix it, but it's not worth the time and money to invest in it. So unfortunately, this is gonna be the end of this valve. You do need this valve for rear AC. If you do not want rear, not AC, I'm sorry, rear heater. If you do not want rear heater, I can just leave them blocked off. Something like this. You will not have rear heat working, but you're not gonna need the valve then. I'll just block off the supply and return, and that's gonna work. So I'm gonna send you this video so you let me know what you want to do. The valve like this is around $500 new. So this is not the one on top, this is the bottom one. So anyway, let me know what you want to do. Like I said, this is around $500 valve as of 2019, obviously, because that's when I'm making this video. And I can install it, it'll be all fine. If you don't need rear AC, then I'm gonna block off lines and off we go. So you will not have any more coolant leak. Alright, so this is it for me. This is a quick one. Again, I'll talk to you soon. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.